You're looking at 1,475 meters below the surface. This is not empty. This is not silent. Hundreds of brittle stars, some of the oldest animals on Earth, covering every inch of this seafloor. Moving. Always moving. And then there's this. A blob sculpin. It doesn't chase. It doesn't hunt. It just sits and waits for something to come close enough. Down here, patience is the most dangerous thing in the ocean. 1,475 meters deep, and it looks like this. And that's why.